This is how we prepare for Snowmageddon here in Wisconsin.
Yeah, we hear that we're supposed to get at least 10 inches of snow tomorrow, maybe up to 15 inches of snow tomorrow. And tomorrow being a Friday, we got a feeling that tomorrow's going to be a snow day. So for the kids. So just kind of prepping the luge for this. And we think that it will fly even faster, go all the way down. If you take a look down here, and this will go all the way down to the lake. And we have the channel behind us, so they'll go right off the edge of the shoreline over the ice and probably right into the cattails. But and then they have to avoid the fire pit down there. But when you ice this baby down and you have time to do that, and it's cold enough because it is like 6-7 degrees outside right now, it'll fly. It's going to be awesome. So just wanted you to see the process of the fun that we do here. All right. I worked on this for like the last good hour plus, and sprayed it all down with water. And so it's good and iced down, and I packed it down as much as I could. And hopefully it'll take me all the way to the lake. I might stop down there a little bit because it's not sprayed all the way down where the snow is, where the end of the luge is. But this is how it works.
Come on!